In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly apply screens to mockups in Figma. Let's jump right in by opening your design in Figma. Make sure the screen you want to showcase is ready to go, ideally as a single frame or a clear image. If it's a frame, everything inside should be neatly contained so the plugin knows exactly what to use. This keeps the process clean and avoids any surprises when we map your design onto a device. The fastest way to get professional mockups is by using the Mockup plugin. It's widely considered the standard for quick application because it handles all the perspective and alignment for you. To install and run it, right-click anywhere on your canvas, head to Plugins, then Manage Plugins, and search for Mockup. By Craftwork. Install it. And once it's added, open the plugin so it's ready alongside your file. With the plugin open, search within its library for the device you want. Try typing iPhone or laptop to browse options that match your project. You'll see a range of angles and styles, so pick one that fits your presentation. Whether it's a straight, on product shot or a more dynamic perspective. Before you apply anything, select the screen you want to display in Figma. Click the frame or image on your canvas so it's highlighted. The plugin reads your current selection, so this step tells it exactly which content to place inside the device frame. Now, in the plugin, choose the device you want from the library. When you are ready, click the plus icon or the Add Image button. In a moment, the plugin maps your selected screen onto that device with the correct proportions and styling, saving you the hassle of manual warping or masking. Once it's processed, paste the result, and it will instantly appear on your canvas. You'll see a neatly composed mockup that's ready to use in presentations, portfolios, and handoffs. From here, feel free to adjust it. You can move the mockup into position, resize it to fit your layout, and rotate it slightly for a more dynamic look. If you are placing several mockups together, align them to create a consistent grid and keep spacing even. For larger frames or print assets, scale the mockup proportionally so it stays crisp. If needed, reorder layers so your mockup sits above or below other elements like backgrounds or shadows for extra depth. And that's it. Thanks for watching.